If you've ever made rice that looked great but tasted bland, this recipe fixes that. Every bite is loaded with tomato, garlic, smoky paprika, and just enough richness to make people ask for seconds. I'm starting with the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once it's hot, add the onion and red bell pepper. Sauté for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're soft and lightly golden. This step builds the base flavor. That natural sweetness makes a huge difference later. Next, add the minced garlic and cook just 30 seconds. Garlic burns fast. Then stir in the tomato paste and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Letting the tomato paste darken slightly gives the rice that rich, deep flavor. Now I'm adding the white wine to deglaze the pan. This loosens up all that flavorful fond on the bottom. Then add the white rice, and we're going to toast it for about 5 minutes, stirring often. Toasting the rice gives it a nutty flavor. Now for the seasoning. Add smoked paprika, ground cumin, turmeric, salt, and black pepper. Stir until everything is evenly coated. Next, add the diced tomatoes, chicken stock, and bay leaf. Give it a quick stir, then bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover it, and let it simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the liquid is absorbed. Now remove it from the heat and let it sit covered for 5 minutes. That little rest allows the steam to finish cooking the rice evenly and keeps the texture perfect. The finishing touch I accidentally did backwards. I should have fluffed the rice, removed the bay leaf, and then lightly drizzle with olive oil. And there it is, savory tomato rice, bursting with flavor and color. Give this recipe a try. Until next time, happy cooking. Explore more delicious recipes at Carol's Recipe Adventure.